Hello everybody, my name is Sebastian Hall. I'm the West Coast Corporate Chef for Irinox North America, and today we're going to introduce the MF30 to you. Absolute amazing blast chiller and shock freezer with a lot of heating capabilities, and we're going to show you today how to use the blast chilling functions, which allows you to extend the shelf life of your product by 2 to 3 times, as well as increase the yield by reducing the amount of evaporation that you have from your foods. So let's get started by pre-chilling the chamber. So now with the sauce hot and ready, we're going to turn off our induction burner, bring the sauce right over here. And we always recommend, even in the blast chiller, to use a 200 pan or a 2-inch hotel pan as the standard for chilling. This will ensure that all your product will chill just in time. We're going to get our sauce in there. And as you can see, piping hot, everything is good. And now we're ready to blast chill. So now that the chamber is all nice and pre-chilled, we're going to stop this cycle because we're going to need to get ready for our other cycle. We're going to open up the door, enter our sauce. We're going to insert our 5-point thermometer into the sauce. Again, we're going to choose the delicate cycle. We're going to go for a temperature change here. We want to go to 37 degrees, which is perfect. So we're going to push OK, push start, and you will see just how quickly the Irinox will chill this really dense Alfredo sauce. After about 3 minutes, you will see that this logo will change from time to temperature because we have inserted the probe into the product, and the machine recognizes that the chamber temperature and the probe temperature are 2 different ones. So we'll automatically switch over from running on time to run on temperature. As you can see, we're now operating on temperature alone. This is going to be the guiding light for the rest of this cycle, and the cycle will be done the moment we have reached our desired temperature of 37 degrees. So as you can see, the cycle has completed. We have reached the final temperature of the sauce, 37 degrees indicated by the heart. Beautiful little chilling cycle. We're now going to unlock the screen. We're going to take a look at our equipment. Here's our sauce. If you look, wonderfully chilled down, ready to be bagged up, possibly frozen, and then used for whenever you need this to be ready for you.